Swazi MTN has launched a program that will enable the company to train 30 up-and-coming entrepreneurs from Peak. We have a report.
MTN Foundation was established to create an umbrella unit within the company to manage and direct all corporate and social responsibility projects. Since its establishment in 2009, it continues to support a wide menu of social causes and activities in the country, particularly in the areas of education, health, as well as culture. It is for this reason that the foundation, in partnership with TechnoServe, has yet again launched a program to train entrepreneurs, this time from Peak.
This idea was actually conceptualized last year during the 21 Days of Yellow Care, where one of the initiatives that we rolled out was to come up with a program that would stimulate business activity amongst young people. Amongst other things, we anticipated that we have a challenge of high unemployment in the country, and about 60% of that group is basically young people. So we felt our contribution as MTN Foundation would be to come up with a training that would stimulate business ideas amongst young people and simultaneously encourage them to translate those ideas into businesses. Because there are a lot of people who have business ideas, but they haven't gathered the courage to use that idea to convert it into a business.
Lupomvo says today is merely about training them on how to actually start a business.
It's about stimulating those ideas and assisting them in terms of how they can convert it into an actual business.
He concluded saying, as MTN Foundation, they will strive to refer them to other companies. For Swazi TV News, I'm Lungilele Makakula with Solisan Mabuza at Zuluni.